out here in Banff National Park. It's the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Doing a solo one night overnighter at Minnetonka Lake. It's about 10 kilometers from the trailhead to my campsite. And testing out my new backpack. And I got a new tent, which I'll set up later. I think this is the biggest lake in all of Banff. Absolutely gorgeous views on this trail. Just taking a little break here. This is the first campsite. Mine is about 3 kilometers away, so not too far. Left that little break spot at campsite 8 and going to be approaching campsite 9 and then campsite 11, my site. Here I am at the campsite. There's the sign. So it's down here. I thought it was actually right on the trail, so that's alright. Okay. Here's a nice little hangout spot. Got a bench there, mountain there. So here's my tent pad and friggin' deer right there. What you eating? Friggin' deer. Quite a lot of stuff floating in there.
Good morning. It's just after 7 a.m. We got some rain last night, but the tent held up perfect. No stretch, no sag, no leaks, barely any condensation. So I'm just gonna pack up and get on with my hike out.
And I'm off. I don't know if you can see, but that rain has started to turn to snow. Hey, dear. Deer. So the water I got at the lake was, there's a lot of stuff in it. I didn't really have like a proper mesh filter. So this stream here, right before campsite 8, is the best bet. You're looking for some nice clean water.
Just 2 seconds after that little stream, we got a deer on the trail. You shy? So I'm just about finishing up the hike. Yeah, highly recommended. Lake Minnetonka. Thanks for watching.